Education is the key to a bright future.
Hi everyone, this is Brigit from Empower Me First. Wow, today was such a challenging day for me. Look at this wind, and it was right in my face or from the side, and my bike actually has a lot of luggage, so as you can hear, I'm coughing. It really affected my asthma. But, well, what I saw was actually worth it. And it's also worth showing you, no matter how unfit you think you are, no matter how tough your life might seem, you can make it. And that is what I'm trying to say in this bike fundraiser. So as you can see, South Africa has a lot of differences. Like here, you see this really poor life, which I believe might be where the wives of the men who are in this penitentiary are staying. On this trip, I saw a lot of opposites. These healthy cows, land that is fertile, beautiful landscapes, and lots of poverty. Opposite of very wealthy farmhouses and also wonderful mansions. Here you see again the poverty of some people living right next to a most modern country. So you have modern and you have poor. And here, this is, I think, a pig farm, and it was about 1 kilometer long. So everything is massive here as well. Now, this really surprised me. I mean, you see those kind of heather usually in Scotland or on the Swiss Alps. And again, also a lot of pubs, the colorful buildings next to derelict houses, but here a beautiful schoolhouse, as you could see. Now, and of course the wind. This was quite an uphill here, and the landscape was just stunning. And I also was able to watch quite a lot of birds. And as you could see, heavily loaded bike. Yeah, can you see these beautiful trees in the middle of nowhere? Some of the roads were very tiny. This one was actually a very good road. But then on the downhill, there were loads and loads of potholes. Besides the wind from the side, it really made it difficult to cycle. In the background, you see now the new road that has replaced this one. Beautiful farmland in the middle of nowhere. Lodges. So you can see the rich, but you also see a lot of poverty. Now I was entering a very fertile valley that was getting close to Jeffreys Bay, where I am going to stay for the night. The road is not super great, and here you can see succulents and cacti blooming. What a beautiful way of cycling towards my destination. You also see the bay now, where I'm soon going to stay. So here you go. That's the beach. And after the beach, you will actually already see in the distance the town, Jeffreys Bay. Please continue following my trip. And tomorrow I'm going to stay at a wolf sanctuary. And the view should be very beautiful. Stay tuned.
Oh yeah, come on now, let's support this cause. Come on now, let's support this cause.